to a CBIP team to given us Sterlite an opportunity to address our product solutions in the market. We Sterlite, our core objective is innovation. So it's our constant endeavor to come up with an innovative solutions in the market. So today's presentation is about the one of the low-loss product solutions to mitigate the ohmic losses challenges in the distribution line, and what are the benefits with respect to the customer that we will be discussing in this presentation. So I am Chintan Pandya, welcoming you all, and I will lead this presentation. So this is about Sterlite. Our vision is empowering humanity by addressing the toughest challenge of energy delivery. And this we achieve by our four core values, that is innovation, social impact, respect and fun. Let's first have a brief overview of this complete presentation. So as an introductory, I will first give a brief introduction on the what is the renewable segments in the India, how the India is looking after the renewables. Then we will look after the what are the challenges in the distribution lines, how the conductor solutions and it give benefits to the customers. Then we will look after the advantages of the ohmic losses, how the losses capitalizations plays important role in different types of the conductor. We will see after our the product for what this presentation is about. I will brief about my product. The case studies, the project what we have executed, we look after that case studies, the explanation of that case studies, and how this conductor had lived innovative to the society, to the market. We will look after this, and the credibility of this product that we have received till years, and the conclusion of this complete presentation. Yeah, so as you all from the power sectors and so you well aware that how the India is looking after the RE segment. Since the deteriorations of the coals and the fossil fuels is deteriorating day by day, so we are focusing on the use of the renewables energies, solar and wind. And our honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi, his vision to increase the power capacity of 400 gigawatts in the year 2030. So with this, there is you can see that how the renewable is a very leading for the India, and this gives the explorations of the new technology adoptions among the IPP, and this the IPP is the facing giving the tariff rate at the bidding at the lower tariff rate. So with this technology exploration is not only adopting the systems in the RE segment, but the low-loss conductor is also play a vital role in reducing the tariff rates and the competitive bidding among the RE. So for this presentation, we will see that how the losses is important in the transmission line. Yeah, so as I was discussing on the losses, as you see on the left side of the graph, I have compared the various types of the conductor. Like conventionally, you know ACSR, Triple AC, AL59, Eco and EcoMax. As I want to focus you on regarding the EcoMax, as it is on the bottom part of the graph in the green region, which signifies that it is having the lowest ohmic losses as comparatively to the all other conductors, and that ohmic losses give betterment in the losses capitalization, that is seen in the middle of the bar, where you can see that EcoMax, the losses capitalizations was calculated for the annual losses capitalization is 35.32 lakhs, while as comparatively to the conventional ACSR and Triple AC, it is the double, like 65 to 66. This is the losses capitalization is calculated for the considering as a 10 kilometer of the line and as a loss load factor of 0.53 for your understanding and the easy understanding. So with respect to the percentage wise, if you say that EcoMax, that is having a 10% of the losses comparative to AL59, it is 35%, and with respect to the ACSR and Triple AC, it is 40%. So how these losses give the advantages to the utility, that is described below. As you noted that EcoMax is having the highest conductivity as 60.6, So if you increase the conductivity, definitely you are increasing the DC resistance of the conductor, and with betterment in the DC resistance, the ohmic losses is better. This ohmic losses better gives you the betterment in the losses capitalization, and by the improving this the losses capitalizations of the conductor, the benefit that gives to the utility is with respect to the return of the investments and also the additional power revenue generation with the losses difference. So this is all about, but there is also one limitation that there is a that not like you to go on increasing the electrical performance, the losses conductor, since the mechanical loading of the poles, towers is also inversely proportional to the electrical performance. If you increasing the electrical performance, then the mechanical loading of the tower is also going to increase. So meanwhile, you have to look after the sag violations, strengthening of the poles is also an important role in selection of the conductors. Moving ahead, as I say that I want to describe about my product EcoMax. So this EcoMax conductor was first introduced in the Open Electrama exhibitions, and we had launched this product in objective of reducing the losses challenges in the RE segments. As you see is that this conductor is better in the losses as comparatively to the all the conductors like ACSR 40%, AL59 30%, and Eco 10%. And because this conductor is bimetallic, it's having the improved conductivity of more than 60 plus conductivity. And the line I want to add is this conductor can transfer the power up to the 35 megawatt in 33 kV single circuit in the RHA pole network, considering the span of 60 to 70 meter. So what benefit this give to the utility? So first, as the conductor is eco-friendly, it's advantage in the reducing in the carbon footprints. Its stringing installation is very similar to the conventional conductors ACSR triple ACs, and there is no need of any special hardware tools and tackles to string the conductor, install the conductor. Also, as I say that this conductor is having the higher power transfer capacity. So, with increasing in the higher power transfer capacity, you can reduce the number of feeders or the interconnected lines that is connected to your WTGs or the interconnected wind farms. So that is also the added advantage. And because of all these points, the overall advantage what it gives to the utility or the IPP developer is that it having the benefit in the total project cost, reducing the total project cost. Also, the losses capitalization, if you calculate for the NPV of the 25 years, then also it benefit with respect to this. Now I want to discuss about the case study of our product. So as I said that we had first introduced this product in the RE segment. So this product was a launch. This product was delivered in the location called the Karnataka in the Chaglur side, and it was the wind plus solar hybrid project. So the main objective of the utility was looking after the power transfer of the 25 megawatt. But since the interconnection of the lines of that project was high and the losses was also more, so the customer come into the problem statement that I want to increase the power transfer capacity to the 35 megawatt. Also, I want to reduce the losses. So, in spite of all these problem statement, we had identified that we will be innovate the new product that will cater the more power transfer, give the better losses, and reduces the total project cost. So that was the identify and the solution that was given to the customer. But also the secondary thing that was coming the picture to the utility was that by increasing the power transfer, their internal transformer CTPT channels, CTPT panels, and the modules was also the cost increases. So overall capex was studied by the customer with respect to the losses, and that was identified that there is a very limited amount of increasing in the capex. If you comparatively study to the 25 years of the period, that how the losses give the better advantages to the customer, and that will be described in the next slide, that how the differentiative of the losses is very high as comparatively to the operational cost. So this is what the case study I was talking about. So as I said that this project was for the wind and the solar hybrid projects, and the power capacity of this product was up to an 35 megawatt as the power transfer. So here the two products as compared, that is Eco and Ecomax. So these both are our Sterlite products. But as the advancement of the conductor we had given to the Ecomax to the customer, since he was looking after the better in the losses as to the commercial conductor. So it was identified that if you calculate the ohmic losses for the complete 25 years of the period, for the 1 kilometer of the feeder line, considering as a load load factor as 0.5, the total saving in the losses capitalization is 41 lakhs per kilometer for the Ecomax as relative to the Eco conductor. While due to the additional capex of the conductor, that conductor cost was only a 2.4 lakhs per kilometer. This identified that if you reduces the losses in the transmission line by 10 percentage, the per feeder, then there will be a huge saving in the cost, that is defined as 39 lakhs for the unit rate of 2.4 rupees per kWh. Also the secondary advantage that Ecomax conductor is having the higher ampacity, so the number of feeders is also reduced. So that is also get advantage in reducing the number of feeders or ROW. This is the secondary advantage was observed with respect to this conductor. The capex, as I discussed, that the conductor is having higher weight, so little bit of the more in the weight is having the higher capex. Also the CT, PT panels and the poles that were designed were in the higher value. But overall, if I see that the losses is a very important role in the reducing in the total project cost of this case study. So this case study is only an informative case study. This can be vary from case to case based on the utility requirement, the requirement of the power transfer, and what kind of terrain is there. So this is for your explanation. I had demonstrated this case study. As this is just a brief recap of our presentation discussion, that the product, how this product gives the benefit to the customer, to the society. So all our point is highlighted. So with respect to the customer, as I said, reducing in the ohmic losses, additional power generation, reducing in the higher revenue generation. As the return of investment is also get shorter by the reducing in the losses, and this shows that it is the best techno commercial product that we can give to the customer to sustain his complete grid reliability. Also, as you see that our society is very looking for the greenhouse and the carbon emissions. So with respect to the greenhouse effect and the CO2 emission, this gives eco-friendly products, and because of this product, you can just perspective, just you can assume that it reduces the coal of 1,30,000 metric 1,30,000 of tons over the period of 30 years. That can be perspective, as you say, the 1,500 cars are running over the day. So this type of carbon emission we can lower by using the eco-friendly conductors. This is about our the product. Now this product is just not only we have manufactured, supplied, but also there are very huge credentials that we have received to this product. So as I said, this first the product was launched in the Electrama. Then we have supplied this conductor to our one of our IPP in the India, and we also received the performance certificate that this conductor is having the losses advantages and giving the technology benefit to the customer. We had also given the publications in AAI, CBIP, and also in Atmanirbhar Bharat, where to identify that the key identifications of our India to make in India. So this all kind of publication we had done, and recently in 2021 from ISGF India Smart Grid Forum, we have received the Platinum Award as a considering as a low loss conductor solutions for the RE. So this is all about my product's credentials. So this is how we have come to the conclusion slide. As I will read out this for your better understanding. So this low loss conductor it used in the distribution network of 33 kV where it can have a power transfer of 35 megawatt, say comparatively 645 ampere, and this gives the losses reductions is up to the 40% to the ACSR, and if you say to the conventional eco conductor, that is 10%. This also having the additional power to the ACSR panel, say 1.5 to 1.7 times as compared to ACSR. This conductor can be installed in the RSJ poles of 150 to 150 mm of the pole structure, and also in case of some lattice towers of 33 kV or 66 kV network, it can be used. The conductor of the greenhouses, I already discussed that how it gives betterment in the eco-friendly and the benefit in the carbon emissions. So because of it is eco-friendly, we name this conductor as a Eco Max conductor. Thank you from my side.